Okay, this one's probably even easier than that other one would have been because it's going to be up to the participants to fill it out. And so you would send out this link. This is the Google form that I sent you, and they can do it from their phone. And I'm going to go ahead and do that from my phone, but you can do it on a computer too with the link. The questions are there. And then the actual form itself, I'll show you, looks like this. And when we get to the spreadsheet, you already have access to the spreadsheet, so you don't need to worry about this. But when I'm in the form, I can click on responses and that will take me to the spreadsheet. So I'm just going to have that open too so you can see what happens. So right now I just did 4 fake people, and I'm going to do it again right now from my phone so you can kind of watch what happens in the spreadsheet. It's kind of fun. So I got to get to the form, and they can save this um, on their phones. They can bookmark it, whatever. They can always go back to the text and get the link. So I'm going to go and just fill this out real quick for somebody and keep the same week. And I'll start doing a better job. I'm just making a comment. Okay. So once the person is done, they just hit submit. And now you see, just like magic, here's my one that I just did. I put in Jason's name, and all these fields are optional, so they don't have to put anything in at all. And of course, they don't even have to submit it. When you are in the actual form, it looks the same on your phone. You can choose your name from the list. You choose the week of. You pick how many days you worked out. You put 5 or 0. On these 2 questions, you put 1 or 0, or you can add a 2 in there. So if there was a double class, then they can add a 2. And then those factors would get added in, and you can type comments if you want. And so again, when you get this, it's all going to be in here. It comes in by timestamp of when they fill it out, so we can sort it by the week of and then total them up at the end if we want to. We don't even have to, but you've got a record there, and it's up to the individual to fill it out. They don't have to text you with that information. You don't have to keep track of it. All they have to do is access the Google form, and it's going to automatically go into this spreadsheet. One of the cool things about when I'm in the editing version of the questions, when I want to get to the responses, obviously I can get to that sheet here, which I gave you access to, but it also gives you some visual summaries of the data. So it's kind of fun to look at. So you can kind of see, like, in this case, 40%, 2 people out of the 5 worked out 5 days a week. And so you can kind of just get some fun data out of that automatically without having to do anything at all. So give it a shot. I encourage you to try it. I think it'll be fun, and I think it puts the onus on the individual, but yet it's still all going to a result for you automatically, and you don't have to do anything. Let me know what you think.